This is feedback for Fatima S on IC1. Generally pretty good, just a couple things that you can work on. I think what you're trying to, a word you're missing here is watching them without anybody watching them, especially their parents. Here you're giving your opinion in the intro, and this is not a good place. Intro is mainly for just giving background information, meaning just giving facts about the topic, letting people know what's going on. You shouldn't be saying this is wrong. There's a disconnect here between your background information and the thesis, so you need to add a sentence here that gets these two ideas connected together. Body here, it says ACA, that means academic. You said this is weird. It's not a very academic word, and you need to be a little bit more specific or explain this in a different way. So looks like everything here is okay. Just any grammar errors, make sure you get those. I was saying here I want a little bit more, so I think you give a good example here, but like show me a little bit more here. How is it's kind of disconnected how using the cell phone without moving makes them obese. Just saying something like, so they're not, using the energy, they're not going outside, and this leads to being overweight and obesity. Spelling error, this is not the right word, you need to spell it a different way. SP spelling again. And then here, show me how. So parents should keep phones away from children. How would they do that? Be specific. And why would your idea of how they do that be better than somebody else's idea? And again here, why, how? You give another suggestion. Children learn new games like puzzles. It's good for them. Why? Why is learning a puzzle different from using a cell phone? How is it better? So explain those, make those changes, upload it into port 1, week 9.